economic recession, it said. Americans want to buy cheap goods, and thus American manufacturers are forced to outsource blah, 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 blah. So that consumers will buy and Walmart will sell at the lowest price. And the vicious cycle of consumptions, layoffs, unemployment, and the need for balancing work and family lives via technology advancements continues. So they're pretty critical about this whole notion of selling all these brand new technical devices that say they're going to make our lives easier, but there are consequences, larger consequences to that. Now, what's the big takeaway from this? This is the very last slide, slide 19. What's the big takeaway? Well, you know, when we think about CMC, particularly based within family communication, we've got to think about issues of gender and gender stereotypes or gender norms, but also have a larger sort of cultural critique. We should be questioning these things. We should be questioning gender norms. We should be questioning the way CMC sustains or stereotypes or sustains gender norms or sustains gender stereotypes. We cannot live in an either-or world in lots of different ways, and so we need to appreciate that gender is fluid, and we need to fight for more equality. So is there a middle ground? Yes, I think one of the things, when I think about middle ground here, what I'm thinking about is this notion, again, that it's not all dire. You know, it's not offering this dystopia, and it's not offering a utopia. It's offering a topia, the middle ground. How do we use this stuff? And that's the thing. I know there's those illusions of all this stuff, but still, I still think we need to figure out how we can use this stuff to make our lives better. And I think we can also use this stuff to fight towards liberation and equality. So as I say here, be a feminist. But the idea is, how can we use this stuff to actually make our lives better? How can we use this stuff to make our family lives better? And if it's not, change what you're doing. Do something else. I'll let you read all the last stuff. The last stuff is much more for academics, and it's just really nerdy, and I didn't get much from it, not much practical information. So my very last thing, because they say family dinners are still very, very important, I want you to go sit down with your family and have dinner and enjoy your bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken. And I just said it, bucket of chicken's on my bucket list because I like puns. Take care. I know this is a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but such is the way of things. Again, if you have any questions about anything regarding the tweets or the blogs or the email or the paper, by all means, please email me and let me know how I can help. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Remember, I'll have my final sort of office hours tonight from 8 to 9, virtual office hours that not many of you have taken advantage of, which is fine, that's cool. I know you got other things, we got family stuff to do. The stuff is not due till Sunday at 5 p.m., so you have a few days to work on this stuff, and that's the reason why I'm giving you till Sunday, is so you have more time to work on this stuff. So anything that I can do to help. Take care, have a great evening and great weekend, and I am here if you need me, because I am part of your Columbia College family. Bye-bye.